Odo kana walo ni remote na. Game o ono nyo ni remote na kidodo ni remote na mi kata ma ye. Ono ni remote me mu ta mi e kamera chele lo ni remote na. So ono nya ba no nyere. Ra game o e kamera cha. E kamera cha. Ba me no more auto. My problem is say I don't even know the kind name when those boys they answer. E kamera cha. Now my belly you want to work before. E kamera with a karashake. 4 years for this store now you know fit do remote nothing wey you fit dey do no I don first tell you say you see this work you no fit learn am na maybe your oga I pray for you this work you can never know am you can never know this work no be na there you go dey you gebe o ekemi resha tape see this tape do am you no fit do am 4 years do this decoder you no do am see remote now come to fix remote now you no fit do am and tomorrow now they go say that matter you no dey try o as I dey work now na where now na call you go dey receive now for back na call you dey receive and you wan learn work I say na maybe your master I pray for you can never know this work make we bet you can never know this work no wahala no call him no tape na or tape double tape so na na or cheap batch na me okay double tape no so where carry tape come carry your tape you no gree carry hello why no arasa I don do am finish now tey now you are dey wait for I don do everything finish you don dey work. Now this is spoil na the Panasonic that lead to the icy sand. Now it's spoil. The Panasonic that lead to the icy sand. Now it's spoil. Which one be the Panasonic? Now you won't teach me the work. I won't do work for you. No, now you for tell me say you don't first know how to repair radio. Now why you come give me? And they tell you what is spoil for tape. You they tell me say where that one there for tape. Then you learn the work. Now you don't do one. What it concern you concern what now what is spoil for? I now tell you. Even when me never learn this work now, so that they do me. I go there give the tape finish. They go tell me say now the IC stand that lead to the panel. Go bring money me I take go buy am they go later you go carry am na so that they tell me so you don't fit teach me my work I don still learn am so now what is spoil for your tape now I tell you Panasonic that lead to the icy sand if you know say you no fit do am even I put am for here now you go see I go show you the this wey I comot for inside wey I change if you know say you no fit do am I will comot am back. Oga, I don't do your work finish. Not the I beg. I don't. If you want to carry your tape, bring my money. Come, my money na 2,500 naira. Come bring am. Bring my money. Me go carry your tape. You be like say you no go do again. No problem. Anyone when you talking now, I be me for here for my store. The registration fee na 2,800. You don't carry the tape come I don register 2,800 as you say you know they do again you must pay that registration fee 2,800. Anyone the when I take do on a 2,500 if you come say you know they do again you go give me registration fee 2,800 so anyone when you know say you won't pay that's what they do me that time when we never know learn this work. Go Yomo now, go that store where do Yomo. Even the other one they are good actually. Go there, they register 1,800. But your work now I do for you now 2,500. But if you say you know they do again, say you don't know which I change, you will give me a registration fee 2,800. Now you can do the one you want to do for yourself. Now I don't tell you finish. Now start to do my work. I beg. If you know say anyone we want to, I beg. Work they grab. I want work. I beg. Why don't they disturb person? You can't do work. Now you want to teach me the work. I be na me they do. You first know and now you don't work. Person that will carry something. Now this one that you get when you tell me say which this one a DVD. Old DVD where you get see remote. Come here, let me see whether now you will teach me the work. Now I tell you, now the Panasonic that lead to the IC sound, now it's spoiled because now my work, now me learn now. Now so that they do me that time, I go carry them go give that old man now when they all that borrowed. He go tell me say they go first in the evening, you go carry am. If I go come, you go come tap one thing for you, you go tell you say na the IC that lead to the panel, that lead to the neck, the IC sound. Now it's spoiled. I get also. I know, now me don't know. So anything when me do for now. Na me do the work. If you don't like am, I go. Not be by force. Yeah, not be by force. But who got to call me say? No, I beg you. This one wey dey call now, see this thing wey don see wetin don put for here since how many years. Dem will don practice full year. Dem no go come carry am. Wetin? Abeg you, no dey disturb my line. No dey disturb my line. I just tire. Kamedasha. Kamedasha. Oh God, abeg, no go all those children wey you dey carry come give me. I no know the type of children wey me dey. Kamedasha. Or you want to go down there, you don't even dey around here. You don't work hard. You know the na work in the level. In the evening, I don't rush go out, go eat. You don't say, Mama, tell me say, I don't come. I don't know the work. If you don't know, they'll say, I don't have to teach person work. Now they know now. If they don't work, you know, concern me. I don't do my own. They go.